deep in the shadows.
Hi guys, so yan, today is Sunday, so mag-ano tayo ngayon, magwo-walking ulit tayo. Ay, oh, Daddy is Molly today. So yan, with the family again. Mami! So magbabas tayo papunta ng, doon tayo mag-start sa, T4. Yan, papuntang Changi. So samahan nyo kami mag-walking today. Ayun yung T4 guys. Yeah. So yung dalawang kids
Golden rays of morning light dancing through the curtains wide awake up to.
Ay, boys, hi. So we buy coffee first and we buy coffee. Then after that, magkukunti na tayo maglakad-lakad. So nandito tayo ngayon sa may T4, di ba? So ito tayo sa may T4, ayan. Then dadaanan natin yan, Jurassic na yan, Jurassic Miles. So dito tayo mag-e-end sa East Coast Park, ayan. So ito ang ating goal for today. This is our agenda for today. Okay, so ayan. Okay guys, so we're here at the Jurassic Mile. So 122 kilometers. Dadan! We're here. Meme isa?
Meme, you saw a dinosaur?
Hey, on top! Wow!
Get the dinosaur.
You lean back, you lay down.
Okay. So let's go inside. Madami din nagba-bicycle dito, guys. Is this side, me? Keep to the right. Is it right, me?
Left, lah.
No, like this one is sharing sana.
You just say sharing.
Yes, this one sharing.
I find my strength in every breath you'd say. With our love so deep through the storms, we'll find our way. With your hand in mine, every single day. With our hearts so true, walking down the sandy shore, the side of you.
Oh! It's like really have a dinosaur. Eh? Yeah, when you hit. Meme!
First dinosaur.
Oh! The first dinosaur here.
Oh, yes.
Meme!
What is that?
Okay. Wow.
You see, Meme? You see the dinosaurs?
Where? There? Where?
On the dinosaurs.
Egg! It's here already. Do you remember who's last time there?
Go. Come in.
George.
Meow, 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 meow. Ang daming dumadaan na aeroplano. Yun ang kahirapan. Oh, do you hear the birds? Dinosaur, Coco very far, Tile.
Bicycle coming, huh?
Okay, let's go.
You scared?
Ada yung sit down lang, sit down.
The curtains wide awake up to a dream so bright, bright. Never step in your love. I found light in the rain and shine in this beautiful world. I only see you walking down the sandy shore, this side of you. Maybe in each smile see the love we share and the path we take. Don't ever view it, never dare ever smile like blue.
I got a baby cuckoo.
Wow! I never noticed this one is a... This one is a... Wow!
Why does that look like that?
Yeah!
The golf ball.
Oh no! They're eating the golf ball! Did you see that? Oh no! Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye! Okay, this one is the end already.
Hold on.
Yes, this is the end already. No more already, Daddy.
Yeah, I have to walk all the way straight.
Meme, okay already. Yeah, this is the water.
But it's been covered up already.
Yeah, inside. Getting cooling. Oh, have here. One more. Actually, I don't remember everything already kasi matagal-tagal. Almost a year we never come here. Yan, gold course yun sa kabila niyan.
One coming.
Oh.
There is a T-Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh my god, this is the biggest one. May isa pang may isa pang mas malaki doon sa sa kanina. Oh. It made me so happy just now. When the dinosaur ate me and Daddy. Ang dami pa rin naglalakad. Actually, school holiday dito ngayon sa sa Singapore, pero madami pa rin mga tao. Okay guys, so this is the end. Bicycle kami nga. Yeah. Bicycle kami nga coming behind. Okay, this is the end. Yeah, let's go. So, okay, we're going now to East Coast Park, 1.3 kilometer. So, ayan. Let's go. Oh, no water. No water. No water. Oh, so nice, so cooling. Anybody know this? Whee! Yeah, ito, papunta na ito ng East Coast. We're tired. We find some place to sit down. Bilis? You think so? Yeah. Okay guys, yeah, we reached here already. Actually, hindi pa. Start pa lang to ng so ayan. So last time kami dito, nag-book kami ng chalet dito, dun sa kabila. Then dito kami nag-fishing before. Ayun yung mga kids. Kasi Daddy. Actually, no fish here eh. Nag-fishing kami dito hanggang evening Walang masyadong isda. Oh, very cooling.
That sand is that kind of sand is the sandbar.
Yes.
And it's a bit.
Yay! Haven't finished. A bit more.
A bit more. Right?
Yeah.
Oh my god! I still want me.
Yay!
I win.
Oh my God, so nice. Konti na lang. Nag-ano na yung ano ko, yung camera ko.
Oh,
Nag-lobat na.
yeah, yeah, finally!
Yay!
Yes,
Abit mo. Okay. Abit mo, guys. Makakakain na rin tayo. Now time check, 11:20 in the morning. It's still early actually. Welcome to Homestead. Yeah, G. Okay, so let's continue.
Very fast.
Now it's
The engine
12 afternoon na.
The engine is very fast.
Ready? How? So maghahanap tayo ng place to eat lunch.
Yeah, so you're behind.
Let's go.
But then if you're tired, you can switch place.
Then may shishi a lot. So
Like this.
she pee a lot. Then I just bring
very tired.
upper clothes. So pinasuot ko na lang yung damit ko sa kanya. Buti may dala akong extra t-shirts. Ang dami nagaan dito camping. Last time nag-camping kami dito. But you cannot sleep here. Hindi kayo makakatulog dito, promise. Ito, I show you guys.
So easy.
Yeah. This one. Ano to? Nasa, how much? 500? 500 isang gabi. Yan. But you cannot sleep here, you know? Kasi daanan to ng mga airplane. Sobrang ingay.
Nothing so carry.
Meron tayo yan. Ayan. Meron tayong chicken wings.
Right.
Very sweet.
Voilà, the barbecue bone is there.
Just put on there. Okay. Oh. We've never been good here, no?
Long time,
Alam niyo, ang ganda dito, para kayong alam niyo sa Korean drama, yung kay Jenny, at saka kay Johnny and Jenny. Yung Autumn, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya, pero pinapanood namin yun.